Atoll in the Marshall Islands, Castle Bravo is the most powerful nuclear device ever tested by the United States, with a yield of 15 megatons of TNT. The explosion, far larger than the expected yield of 4 to 8 megatons, coupled with shifting winds, resulted in widespread radioactive contamination of the area and adverse conditions for the native people who live there. The 1957 novel On the Beach was inspired by the Castle Bravo test and depicted a world dying of radiation after an atomic war. Just 1 month later, on March 27, 1954, the United States continued their Operation Castle nuclear tests with Castle Romeo, the first test of the TX-17 thermonuclear weapon. Castle Romeo, also detonated at Bikini Atoll, was a weaponized dry fusion bomb that again exceeded original expectations for total explosive yield. Romeo was the first nuclear test conducted on a barge, which was necessary because the explosions were blowing vast holes in the natural reefs of the islands. Originally expected to produce a yield of 4 megatons, Castle Romeo was the third largest test ever detonated by the United States, producing a blast of 11 megatons. That same year, Castle Yankee was the codename given to a test weapon detonated at Bikini Atoll on May 5, 1954. The Runt 2 nuclear device used partially enriched lithium fuel for the fusion stage and yielded a 13.5 megaton blast. The yield was still greater than predicted due to the enriched fuel and fast fission of the natural uranium